Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to import contacts on Odoo. So simply we have to click on apps, and after this just we have to find the contacts app. You just type here contacts and now press the enter button. So now here you can see contacts app is here. Simply you have to install it on Odoo. So simply click on install button. So it is taking some time. Wait for a few seconds. Our app is being installed. So now you can see after waiting a while, contact app is successfully installed on Odoo. So here you can find the contacts app. Simply open it, and now here you can see there are multiple options here. We have already 2 contacts. Now simply click on favorites, click on import. So now here click on upload file. So if you have all contacts file available here, you can simply click and press the open button. So in this way you can easily import contacts on Odoo.